Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Carla, and in today's video, we are diving into a question that puzzles many of us. How can I tell if I will get approved for a credit card, or how can you? Whether you are looking to start building your credit, earning rewards, or manage your finance better, understanding the approval process is key. Let's get into how you can increase your approval odds. Getting approved for a credit card doesn't have to be a guessing game. By understanding certain criteria of a credit card approval and aligning your credit profile accordingly, you can greatly improve your chances. Let's break down these criteria and share some insider tips to help you along the way. First of all, it's crucial to meet the ideal credit criteria. This includes maintaining a 100% payment history, aiming for not late payments at all, especially in the recent 6 months. Keep your credit utilization between 1% and 6% on each account. This is key, on each account, meaning in general. In all of the credits accounts that you have, that's the goal. And ensure your length of credit history average at least 1 year old. These show the lenders that you are reliable, a reliable borrower, and they can trust and continue with the process. Um, One of the pros of this process is higher credit score, increased approval odds, demonstrates financial responsibility to the lenders, which is good. This all of what I just mentioned basically give them the idea that you can be a good customer. That way they can lend you money. The con side requires consistency, monitoring your financial and monitoring your credit and your credit history, your credit profile, and financial discipline. Another one is a low utilization might be challenging if you are managing high expenses. I can tell you this because that has been a thing for me. That's my personal opinion. I mean, sometimes we get caught up on the expenses. I mean, just spend here, spend there, and all of that. And when one day to another, you have your credit card full. You have to be careful with that. You have to. I have been making videos before. You can go and watch those, but you have to be careful with expenses that you put on your credit card. That way you are aware that you have to pay down that, put the money, don't spend in necessary things, and keep your utilization low. Between 1 and 6% is the goal. If you are finding this video helpful so far, please give us a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also I would love to see your comments and experience in the comment section below. So drop us a line below with your comments, experience, or thoughts about this video or this subject. So don't forget to join my free VIP group that I host in the school platform for more in-depth discussions. The link will be in the description box below. Maximize your chances. You should also diversify your credit type. Have at least 2 installments accounts and 3 revolving accounts. Installments account can be a personal loan, a car loan, or something like that, and 3 revolving accounts, meaning credit cards. The goal in this is each account have a significant credit limit. Now, let's talk about specific strategies depending on the bank you are targeting. Each bank has its nons. Some might require a banking relationship for several months, while others are more lenient. For example, being an authorized user on a related card like Citi Costco card might improve your standing with Citi. However, there is a key here because, for example, Navy Federal has a Amex card which doesn't have anything to do with Amex in some point. So it won't open the door to Amex at all. So you have to be careful with this one because when they are partnership, not necessarily is gonna open a door for the big um, institution like that example. Always use your bank's pre-qualification tools if available. Not every institution have this tool available, but if it does, do your diligence, do your homework, check if they have this pre-qualification tool, and do it. Complete that pre-qualification, see if you are pre-qualified. If you do, then your chances are high to get pre-approved. I mean, to get approved is not 100%, but is a good chance if you do it the same date or immediately. This tool can give you a good indication of your approval odds without impacting your credit score. That's why it's an amazing tool to use before applying. Just remember that because you receive a pre-qualification offer, it doesn't guarantee approval. But the reality is a strong indicator. If you do it online, don't trust the one in the mail. Just do it in online in the application. I mean, in the website of that institution. And if you are approved, go forward. The odds are really high. The pros on this is when you do this basically is because it's a soft inquiry only, it won't impact your credit score. So this is a good reason why to do this before applying. Another one is provides a more accurate estimate of approval odds too. On the con side, not a final approval guarantee. So you have to be careful with this. If you feel like that you have doubts, that you feel that your credit is not strong enough, or you have some issue on your credit report or on your credit history, some late payments, and you think that really, even though you got approved, the odds are not that high, then don't do it. You have to be careful with that. The other cons could be a different bank have varying accuracy in their tools. So the keys that they use to set up their pre-qualifications tool it might be different in each institution. So be careful with that because you got a pre-approved and approved in another institution, even if if the same day, that doesn't mean that in another institution or pre-qualification tool you will get the same results. Don't rely solely on a bank reps telling you what to do. Educate yourself and compare their information with trusted data source. Don't trust 100% and be blind per what the reps say. Yes, they are supposed to be knowledgeable people in their products, but that doesn't mean that it's 100% accurate. Bank employees often have incentive that may not align with giving you the best advice for your credit situation. They are thinking on themselves, they are being a little bit selfish, and they are thinking about the commission or the bonus that they might get if they get you approved. One of the good thing about relationship with bankers is building relationship can lead you to insider tips and better offers. Personal interaction can clarify product details and make you or help you make better decisions. The con side or negative is a potential misinformation due to a lack of knowledge or bias. Like I mentioned before, maybe they are receiving some bonus if you are approved, and they're gonna lead you or guide you to make decisions that not necessarily are in good for you. And also it might get you in unnecessary application, which is going to incur in a hard inquiry, which basically you are the one in everything on the loose end. In conclusion, getting approved for a credit card is about preparation and understanding the rules of the game. Use the tools available, maintaining a strong credit profile, credit history, credit report, not late payments, and always verify the information you receive. With this strategy, you will be well on your way to approval. Thank you for tuning in. Remember, the right knowledge can turn the tide in your favor. Subscribe for more insightful videos. Share this video with somebody that you might think that it can help them. And don't forget to join my free VIP group for exclusive content. Until next time, bye.